Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to archive multiple conversations on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've been wanting to clean up your inbox and keep things more organized without losing past chats, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the app launches, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see the messaging icon, which looks like a small chat bubble. Click on it to open your message inbox. This is where all of your recent conversations are displayed. Now, in the upper section of the messaging window, you'll notice 3 dots in the corner. Go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options, and from here, choose the one that says Manage Conversations. This feature is what allows you to select multiple chats at once, instead of having to archive them individually. With that view open, you can now choose the conversations you'd like to archive. Just click on each conversation, and you'll see them selected one by one. Take a moment to review your choices before moving on to the next step. After you've selected the conversations you no longer want cluttering your inbox, look for the Archive option. It should be visible at the top of the screen. Once you click Archive, the app will ask you to confirm the step. Confirm your choice, and just like that, those conversations will be moved out of your active inbox and into the archive. This new update makes it much easier to organize your LinkedIn messages. Instead of scrolling endlessly or deleting chats that you may need to revisit in the future, archiving is a cleaner and safer option. All your selected conversations are still stored, but they're no longer front and center when you're trying to focus on the most important messages. And that's it. You've now successfully archived multiple conversations on the LinkedIn app for PC. Thanks for watching.